Dear investor, we welcome you to IDFC Real Estate Yield Fund's presentation on how to read the annual statement of income and taxes. While going through this presentation, kindly refer to the example sheet that has been sent to you along with the annual statement. Your annual statement has 3 tables. Table 1 provides a breakup of your share in the income earned by the fund and the taxes paid by the fund on your behalf. Table 2 provides a breakup of the TDS and advance tax paid by the fund under your PAN as well as the PAN of the fund. Table 3 provides a summary of all monthly distributions made during the financial year 2014-15. Now, let us understand this in more detail by looking at each of the 3 tables. Part 1 of Table 1 gives your pro rata share in the income and taxes of the fund. This includes interest income, dividend income, and short-term capital gains earned from liquid mutual fund investments, as well as taxes paid such as TDS, advance tax, etc. The first figure here is the interest income, which was earned by the fund in financial year 2014-2015 and distributed to you. This figure will also match with the sum total given under column A in Table 3. The second figure is dividend income earned from liquid mutual funds and distributed in 2014-15. This figure will match with column D in Table 3. The next 2 figures refer to the dividend income earned and the short-term capital gains income earned, both from liquid mutual funds. As intimated earlier, these have been retained by the fund towards meeting operating expenses. Hence, they were not distributed to you, but still form part of your income. Please note that the dividend income is tax-exempt, while short-term capital gains and interest income is being taxed at the rate of 33.99%. Therefore, your taxable income is the sum total of interest income and short-term capital gains minus expenses. The last figure in this table is the total tax payable, which was calculated by applying the tax rate of 33.99% to your taxable income. Now, moving to Part 2 of Table 1. This talks about the total tax paid for financial year 2014-15 pro rata to your share in the fund. The TDS and advance tax shown in this table will add up to the total TDS and advance tax figures which were highlighted to you during the monthly distributions and can be tallied with the figures under column B and C in Table 3. Now let us move on to Table 2. As explained in our earlier communication, initially the fund discharged the advance tax and TDS under the PAN number of individual investors. This ensured that all investors got a direct credit of the taxes discharged under their respective Form 26AS. However, subsequent to a circular issued by the Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) on 28 July 2014, our earlier approach of discharging taxes under the investor's PAN number became untenable. In view of this circular, and upon the advice received from the fund's tax advisors, the fund started discharging taxes under its own PAN from the second quarter of financial year 14-15 onwards. Therefore, as you can see, the box 1 in this table shows the TDS and advance tax paid under the PAN of the investor for quarter 1, financial year 2014-15. These figures will also reflect in your Form 26AS. The TDS certificates and advance tax challans have also been shared with you. Box 2 provides the TDS and the advance tax paid under the PAN of the fund for the remaining 3 quarters. The total of Box 1 and Box 2 also tallies with the totals of TDS and advance tax in Table 3. Now let us come to the last and final table, that is Table 3. Table 3 is simply a consolidation of all the monthly distributions made to you for financial year 2014-15. These figures of interest income, TDS, advance tax, principal repayment, etc. will match with each of your distribution letters or emails that we have been sending to you month on month. This brings to an end our explanation module. Hope this was helpful to you. In case you have any further questions, please send a mail to us at reyf@idfc.com. Thank you.